Assets containing media such as video or audio may be subject to conversion or transcoding. This will be carried out automatically by the Arkki platform. From a video asset, go to the menu and select the export command. In the pop-up menu, you can find all the conversions and transcodings implemented on the system, such as video to MP3 audio or MP4 at different bit rates. The setting of these configurations are made by system administrators or media power engineers and can also be implemented while the system is in production according to the user needs. Select one or more options from those available and click Export. A pop-up bar in the lower part of the interface shows you the progress of the selected transcoding. When finished, the file is ready to be downloaded by clicking on the relative icon. The browser will show that the download has taken place.